right now. You are now tuned in. Pen Crispy. I'm still going.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. So in this video today, I'm going to be doing a fall inspired makeup look. I am so excited for the fall season. How many of you guys are you guys ready for the fall? I'm so ready. And you guys, I am starting off with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige as a primer for my eyelids. And I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and blend that out. Alright, so for my transition shade, I'm going to be using my favorite palette, of course. The ColourPop palette. And I'm going to be taking Butter Cake. Let me fix the lighting. I'm going to be taking Butter Cake and putting that in my crease, or a little bit above my crease. Alright, so I'm going to blend out the edges. I'm going to be taking this shade, which is called Chauffeur. Alright, so for my outer crease and inner crease, I'm going to be taking this black, and this is in my Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette. And then on the inner corner. Alright, so now I'm going to take this brown shade, this dark brown shade, and this is called Mischief, and I'm going to blend out the black. Alright, so now I'm going to start carving out the halo part, the center section of my eyelid. Okay, so for my lid, I'm going to be using Spoiled, and this is a gold shimmery shade. So this shade. Alright, so now I'm going to take my brush again that I used the black on and blend out the edges. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone with Bling. Alright, so I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and that's in 330 Toffee Caramel. Oh, hold on, before I do that, I'm going to take some of this glitter primer and put them on my crease areas. I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend that out. Alright, so now I'm going to be highlighting with my AOA highlighter, and this is concealer. This is in the shade beige, and then I have my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige, and I'm mixing them just because this one is too bright for me. Blend that out. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into the ColourPop palette and use Mischief for my the outer corner of my eye. And this is on my bottom lash line. Alright, so I'm going to be contouring with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast. And blending that out. Alright, now I'm going to be taking my Maybelline powder and Mocha and going over my contour. Now I'm going to highlight with my Wet n Wild highlighter, and this one is called Crown of My Canopy. It's like a rose gold color. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick, and this one is called Vintage. Alright, so you guys, that is all for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!